Microsoft Azure with same everything. Let's see how it goes. So we go to the virtual machine, we create a virtual machine, and everything is okay. Name we can give like test group, it is connecting, okay. And US East like others were, and for the image like others we'll select for cPanel, and we'll select something like test account, and 2 CPU, 8 GB RAM. So we have selected that. This one is a little bit cheaper, we can select this standard, okay. 2 CPU, 8 GB RAM, and then I will set a user root. Okay, so for now let's set keys. Saying that password should be between this and this, so it's okay. So all good. Next we'll select the dish, so it's SSD. Encryption, okay, it's okay, platform manage. So there is no attached disk, so we'll create a disk. Not so much, we need just like 16 GB SSD is enough, but let's take 40. There is no 40, so we'll take 32. So 32 GB premium SSD we have attached. Now let's go to networking. Okay, yes, we need public IP. It will be some dynamic IP. It is okay because we are not going to use it for long. We don't need load balancing anything. So okay, all is okay, we don't need much. We don't need anything, nothing. So all is okay. Now I will click on create. So now it is creating. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, deployment is completed. Cool. Yes, so this one. Go to resource, virtual machine test, yes. So this one is the external IP, and let's connect and reset the password first. I will connect through here. So we created user keys and IP this. Yes, finally. Okay, we are logged in. So we will do okay, root password is set. So first thing we'll do is download this test file of 1 GB, see how much time it will take. Now that we are already connected through SSH, we'll do this. It's same website for all, so just kind of we are comparing. So this one is going good, like Google, even better than Google. So it looks like Azure is going to download it faster than all of them. So it was around 60 seconds in case of AWS, around 37 seconds or something like this, 30 seconds in case of Google, or around 90 seconds in case of our own dedicated hardware. Let's see how much time it takes here. Almost done. Cool. 32 seconds. So almost same like Google. I think it is almost same like Google. About network speed, it is almost same like Google. Done. Some update happening. Probably when we log in, it is already updated. Okay, done. The transfer. Not waste time. So first I am going to, as usual, add this IP in the temporary allow in firewall. Allowed it. Now just I'll copy this password, go to this test account, test server from where we are copying the website, this scan server, cool, select it, copy. Yes, finally it is working. Cool. Happy about it. So now that restore is working, I will copy this IP once again and assign it to the domain to point to this IP. It will take 2 minutes to propagate. In 2 minutes our restore will be done. Okay, now I have already set this IP there. Cool, done. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. Site is transferred and live. Now let's check this result. First time, how much it is? Yes, so the site is loaded. So how much time it took? 5.6. So first time Azure site loading is faster than AWS and Google Cloud, and when I do it second time, .9. So it's like little bit faster than AWS and Google, but not like in big way, but yes, there is some difference. It's little bit faster. So I don't think there is any big difference, but at least you guys may have understood the most important thing, that just moving to cloud is not everything. If you move to cloud doesn't mean your website will be fast. So we have spent so much of time, so I will test one more cloud after that. So I'm going to terminate this one. So let's stop and terminate this account.